An annuity is a financial arrangement where a series of equal payments or receipts are made regularly over a set period of time. These payments can be made weekly, monthly, or yearly, and are often used for investments, loans, and retirement plans. Annuities helps in managing cash flows over time, either for saving money or for repaying debt. Annuities can be classified in several ways. Here are the main classifications. Based on the timing of payments. Ordinary annuity, the payments are made at the end of each period. Most loans and mortgage follow these structures. Annuity due, the payments are made at the beginning of each period. This is a common for rent or lease payments. Based on duration. Fixed-term annuity, or also called annuity certain, the payments are made for a specific number of periods. Once the time is up, payments stop. Perpetual annuity or perpetuity, the payments continue forever and do not have an end date. An example is a perpetual bond that pays interest forever. Next is the based on payments amount. Fixed annuity, the amount of each payment is constant and predictable. It provides stability and often used for budgeting. Variable annuity, the payment amounts based on the investment performance. Returns are not guaranteed and there's more risk and potential reward.